No, I haven't taken a shower or cleaned up my face. Dude, this trade was the most brain rot trade ever. This was 3 hours of consolidation. It is 11 a.m. right now. I took this trade at 10. Or I took this trade at 7. Man, let's recap. I even recorded the trade live just for you guys. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna record a live trade today. This is me in bed. Just, I think I fell asleep actually once I was in the trade. Consolidation. This is me under the covers. I fell asleep here. I woke back up. And I'm on my phone. I was brain rotting reels. Consolidation. And then at one point I got so bored I just ended it. Anyways, let's recap this trade. Man, this trade was stop loss got edged 3 times, consolidated for 3 hours. I had no idea what we were doing after the first 30 minutes of consolidation. But let's break it down before we get into that. Let me show you guys the top set P&L. This is $507 on every account, so this was $1,500. But yeah, $1,500 day. I was gonna go in and like risk light throughout the week. I was like, I'm just gonna risk light, but I was like, I'm not a punk, so I'm like, why would I, Anyways, price action looked amazing. Market open, or well, ish. We made a push to the upside, breaking out of a consolidation range. We had manufacturing PMI and ISM. I was expecting price action to continue to validate bullish structure, which we did. We made a bearish push to the downside. A lot of people caught this bearish move. I didn't like anything I seen within this. If anything, I was expecting to see this as a retracement for the 4-hour fair value gap, which we made a retracement for right here, as well as the 1-hour bullish fair value gap. We validated that. Flip structure to the upside. Price action literally just flip structure to the upside. I don't know what to tell you guys. And our model showcased right here, or the beginning of our model showcased right here. First PD array retracement, and then this was the second one. Originally, I was just expecting this to be a beautiful trade, just continuation to the upside. Just bam, tagged in, push to the upside. Once price action showcased this, I was like, okay, yeah, we're gonna see a solid push to the upside. And then we seen this. Dude, I had to wait for every candle. This one, price action came down on the CS. Price action came down, edge SO here, made a pushback to the upside, then came back down again. Hold up. Like, this was like break even here, push, bearish push to the downside, edge SO, break even again. Okay, we're starting to make a pushback to the upside. Okay, bearish push again, retracement for this bullish 15-minute fair value gap. Validation off of that. Okay, push to the upside. Nope. Okay, push to the upside. Nope. And then we had another push to the downside. Again, right there. Price action spiked all the way back down here. Then price action came back up to break even, back down to draw down, back to break even, back to draw down, back to break even. And then finally hit our take profit. So why did we take this trade? What confidence do we have? Well, simply our model showcase. For anyone curious about my model, it is a double PD array confluence. In simple terms, when we respect bullish structure, we will continue to create and form new PD arrays within that respected direction. I execute off of that. So we have price action forming a fair value gap here. If we're bullish, we'll retrace into it, validate it, and then form new bearish fair value gaps, which I typically execute on the second bearish fair value, or bullish in this example, fair value gap that showcases, aka a continuation, right? That's all it is. And that's all this setup showcase. So just wanted to post that with you guys. If you guys are more curious on my system, comment about it, and I can actually do a full breakdown on like how I get my bias. But you can also go back and look at my videos 3 months ago and get an understanding of everything on how I formulated my system, my model up to now. This trade was definitely a headache, but it wasn't one that bothered me much. I really just scrolled reels the entire time and watched YouTube. So apart from that, if we would have gone stopped out, price action would have made the retracement for the hourly fair value gap down here we had formed, but price action didn't, so we continued to the upside. And I don't know what else to say. I guess that's it. Thank you boys for watching, and do I have anything else to say? This was a good trade. This was a good trade. However, I was not expecting all that consolidation. If I'm being completely honest, I was not expecting all that consolidation. I was expecting a clean move to the upside, but nope. Price action consolidated, and I already said that, I know, but I'm saying it again. So like, I actually can feel like I gave you guys something out of this, rather than you guys just watching this to see whether I won or lost, or how I won or lost. Well, I guess that's really why you're watching this. Double PDRA confluence played into probability, and hoping for good price action this week, because this was OD. This was crazy. Anyways, I'm going to go eat, take a shower. Well, I already ate, so I'm gonna go eat again. Watch my new vlog if you haven't watched it, and then I'm gonna go scroll reels. I'm joking. I think.